heavy heart.
The Barry Donovan Show confirms.
Dr. Jeff Ernstman,
famed inventor of the Angel Engine, has sadly passed away.
However,
Be not afraid.
Be not afraid, my dear people, for when the world needed him the most, Jeff Ernstman gave his all to save us from certain doom. And now, we will return this favor.
Dad, where is the lamb?
Pray.
Listen to me!
Is he in your head?
You are working for the Antichrist.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. Happens to everyone in the beginning. Want to break his teeth?